What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about paano mag-apply ng credit card sa Security Bank online. Ano yung mga dapat yung tandaan kapag kayo ay nag-a-apply ng credit card online sa Security Bank para hindi kayo magka-problema sa application ninyo online. At saka, i-share ko sa inyo kung paano i-track yung credit card application ninyo sa Security Bank para malaman nyo yung status, kung approve ba or decline, or kung ito ba ay still in process. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So ito guys, unahin ko na yung credit card application status or kung paano i-check yung application status ninyo sa Security Bank credit card application. Kasi yung iba baka kasi nakapag-apply na tapos kailangan na lang i-trace or i-track yung credit card application sa Security Bank, unahin ko na siya guys. So ang gagawin nyo guys is punta kayo sa web browser, Chrome or Safari kung naka-iPhone kayo or anumang browser. Type nyo guys sa Google, sa search bar, Security Bank Credit Card Application Status. Pagka-click ninyo, ito yung lalabas. Check my credit card application status. Tapos i-click nyo yan. Credit card application status. Recently applied for a credit card. You may check your application status by providing your account information below. So yung reference number guys nakalagay, di ba nung nag-apply kayo, may text message si Security Bank. Ayan, nakikita nyo. Yan yung ilalagay nyo sa reference number. At saka yung last name, kung ano yung apelyido ninyo. Then, view status. Ayan, makikita nyo na yung status ng application ninyo. Nakalagay yung case number, yung first name, yung last name, then yung approved product. Sa akin wala pa kasi hindi pa siya approved. Yung result kasi is pending pa siya. Tapos ngayon, kung hindi kayo approve, may kailangang requirements, nakalagay dyan requirements kung ano yung kailangan yung i-provide or i-submit. Your application is still in process. Ibig sabihin, under evaluation pa yung credit card application ko sa Security Bank. So ngayon, proceed tayo kung paano mag-apply ng credit card sa Security Bank online. So as you can see guys, kung paano mag-apply ng Security Bank credit card online, punta kayo sa Security Bank website, punta kayo sa browser, kung sa desktop kayo or sa cellphone, search nyo sa Google yung Security Bank credit card online application. Then pagka-click nyo, lalabas yan doon, then i-click nyo lang yung lalabas na Security Bank credit card application, then mapupunta kayo dito. Ayan, nakikita nyo guys, complete your application in 4 simple steps. It should take no longer than 10 minutes. Hanggang 4 steps siya guys, as you can see. Your approved card type may vary based on our qualification requirements and credit card assessment. There's no guarantee that you will receive your card of choice. So, ibig sabihin guys, halimbawa nag-apply ko ng Platinum, pwede kayo mapadalhan ng Wave Mastercard. Depende siya sa qualification na meron kayo. So first step guys, kapag nag-apply kayo ng credit card online sa Security Bank, nakalagay, are you an existing Security Bank card holder? Yes, no. So syempre, kung wala pa kayong credit card, mag-no lang kayo. Kung meron, of course, mag-yes kayo. Then pipili kayo ngayon guys ng gusto nyong credit card. Ayan, nakikita nyo, Wave Mastercard, Gold Mastercard, Platinum Mastercard, World Mastercard, Wave Mastercard, Cashback, Platinum. So, pipili kayo guys, nakalagay dyan as you are applying for Wave Mastercard. Kasi yun yung napili ko kunyari. Before we begin, let's confirm if this applies to you. Check all that applies to you. I am an existing Security Bank account holder or I have an SBC products, loans, or investment. So, kung wala, mag-no kayo. Kung meron kayong deposit account or savings account sa Security Bank, mag-yes kayo. Basta anything na related siya sa Security Bank, mapa-loans man yan or kung ano-ano pa man, I have an existing credit card. Yes, kung meron kayong existing credit card ng ibang bangko. Then nandito nakalagay credit card details, issuing bank. So halimbawa BDO or BPI, pili kayo dyan. Sa akin kasi nilagay ko is Banco de Oro, Universal Bank. Is your gross annual income at least 360,000? So kung hindi bababa sa 360,000, yes ninyo. Do you have an existing credit card with another bank for at least 6 months? Of course, kung meron mag-yes, kung wala mag-no. The next page. Ngayon, nasa step 2 na tayo guys. Ayan, since yung Wave Mastercard nga yung pinili natin, nakalagay as no annual fee forever, 1% cashback on online spend, lower interest rate of 2.5%. So, ayan siya guys, yung pinili natin. Makikita nyo yung perks and benefits or yung advantage. Of course, kailangan yung personal information, name to appear on card, syempre yung pangalan nyo, huwag nyo iibahin yung pangalan guys kasi hindi kayo ma-approve niyan. Then yung may mga asterisk guys, nakikita nyo may kulay pula, yun yung kailangan yung i-filled out talaga. At saka yung email address guys, yung mobile number, pinaka-importante to. Ito yung dapat yung tandaan guys ha. Kapag nag-a-apply kayo ng Security Bank credit card online or credit card online, kailangan yung email address or mobile number is active siya at dapat hindi mawala yan kasi dyan lahat magpapadala ng updates regarding sa application ninyo. Then of course, tatanungin yung gender kung kayo ba ay male or female, civil status kung single kayo, of course, date of birth, yung birthday ninyo, maging aware kayo sa birthday nyo guys, dapat tama of course. Place of birth kung saan kayo pinanganak, yung citizenship kung kayo ba ay Filipino or kung ano, kung sa Philippines pa kayo, kung sa Pakistan or sa kung saan kayo nakatira, kung sa United States. My permanent address is the same as my home address. Kung saan kayo nakatira ngayon, halimbawa nakatira kayo sa kung saan kayo nakatira, kung saan yung home address niyo or yung permanent address, i-click nyo yung box na yan. Lahat lagyan nyo guys, wag nyo i-skip yung may asterisk na kulay pula. Yan nakita nyo, yung kulay red, kasi hindi kayo makakapag-proceed sa application ninyo. And next page nyo ngayon siya guys. Pagka next page nyo guys is nasa step 3 na kayo. Tatanungin dito ngayon yung employment details. Employment status, kung kayo ba ay employed or self-employed. So pag sinabing employed guys, kayo ay nananarabaho sa isang kumpanya at may sweldo kayo buwan-buwan. Self-employed naman ay may sarili kayong negosyo. So dapat may ma-provide kayong ITR or income tax return or proof of profitable na yung business na meron kayo. Then, employment ID type. Maglalagay kayo dyan kung kayo ba ay private sector or government employed, ganyan. Then, next page nyo siya guys. Ngayon, nandito na tayo sa step 4. Ayan nakalagay, Wave Mastercard kung ano yung in-applyan natin. Your approved card type may vary based on our qualification, requirements, and credit assessment. There's no guarantee that you will receive your card of choice. Kung ano yung pinili nyo, hindi po guaranteed na marireceive nyo yun. Then ngayon, tatanong kayo guys ng delivery, kung saan nyo gusto ipa-deliver. Of course, kailangan nyo i-upload yung proof of identification ninyo, yung ID, at saka yung acceptable documents, government-issued identification such as driver's license, passport, GSIS, e-card, SSSU. Yun yung kailangan guys. Kailangan nyo i-upload yung proof of identification ninyo. Then ngayon, delivery options, where do you want your card to be delivered? So kung sa home address ninyo or sa office address ninyo. So maganda guys, sa office address na lang kasi mas mabilis. Halimbawa, nasa Makati kayo, lagay nyo dyan yung building. Mabilis lang malocate. Kasi naman sa home address ninyo, kung doon naman kayo araw-araw sa corporate job ninyo or sa office, doon na lang para mas mabilis. Note, only the cardholder can receive their credit card upon arrival at the registered delivery address. So, kailangan kayo talaga yung makareceive ng card. Kasi kung wala, hindi nila ibibigay yun for security purposes. Then ngayon, you have to agree. I agree to have my card delivered to my alternate address or an SBC branch indicated below in case my primary address is not serviceable. So, halimbawa, hindi ma-reach yung address ninyo, kailangan mag-agree kayo guys na pwedeng i-deliver na lang sa pinakamalapit na branch ng Security Bank kung saan kayo nakatira. Na dito nakalagay, your credit card statement of account will be sent to your email address on record through our electronic statement of account facility. Thanks for going paperless. So I think that's all for now. Sana may na-share ako. It's me again, Joseph Kate. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Bye-bye!